In this video, we're going to explore 10 essential tips to help you achieve a restful night's sleep consistently. Let's jump right in. 1. Establish a consistent sleep schedule. One of the most effective ways to improve your sleep quality is by establishing a consistent sleep schedule. Try to go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. This helps regulate your body's internal clock, making it easier to fall asleep and wake up naturally. 2. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. Create a relaxing bedtime routine to signal to your body that it's time to wind down. This could include activities such as reading a book, taking a warm bath, or practicing relaxation techniques like deep breathing or meditation. Avoid stimulating activities like watching TV or using electronic devices, as the blue light emitted can interfere with your body's natural sleep-wake cycle. 3. Optimize your sleep environment. Your sleep environment plays a significant role in the quality of your sleep. Make sure your bedroom is conducive to sleep by keeping it cool, dark, and quiet. Invest in a comfortable mattress and pillows that provide adequate support for your body. Additionally, consider using white noise machines or earplugs to block out any disruptive noises that may disturb your sleep. 4. Limit exposure to screens before bed. As mentioned earlier, exposure to screens before bed can interfere with your ability to fall asleep. The blue light emitted by smartphones, tablets, and computers suppresses the production of melatonin, the hormone responsible for regulating sleep. Try to avoid using electronic devices at least an hour before bedtime, or use blue light filters and night mode settings to minimize their impact on your sleep. 5. Watch your caffeine intake. Caffeine is a stimulant found in coffee, tea, chocolate, and many sodas. While it can provide a temporary energy boost, consuming caffeine too close to bedtime can disrupt your sleep. Aim to limit your caffeine intake, especially in the afternoon and evening hours. Opt for caffeine-free alternatives like herbal tea or decaffeinated coffee if you need a warm beverage before bed. 6. Incorporate regular exercise into your routine. Regular exercise has numerous health benefits, including improved sleep quality. Engaging in moderate aerobic exercise, such as walking, swimming, or cycling, can help you fall asleep faster and enjoy deeper, more restorative sleep. Aim for at least 30 minutes of exercise most days of the week, but try to avoid vigorous exercise too close to bedtime, as it may energize you and make it harder to wind down. 7. Mind your diet. What you eat and drink can have a significant impact on your sleep quality. Avoid heavy meals, spicy foods, and excessive amounts of alcohol before bedtime, as they can cause indigestion and disrupt your sleep. Instead, opt for light, easily digestible snacks if you're hungry before bed, and consider drinking a soothing cup of herbal tea, such as chamomile or peppermint, to help you relax. 8. Manage stress and anxiety. Stress and anxiety can wreak havoc on your sleep, making it difficult to fall asleep or stay asleep throughout the night. Practice stress-reducing techniques such as mindfulness, progressive muscle relaxation, or journaling to help calm your mind before bed. If you find yourself feeling overwhelmed by stress or anxiety, consider seeking support from a therapist or counselor who can help you develop coping strategies. 9. Limit naps. During the day, while a short nap can be rejuvenating, especially if you're feeling tired during the day, too much daytime napping can interfere with your ability to sleep at night. If you need to nap, aim to keep it short, around 20-30 minutes, and avoid napping too late in the day, as it may disrupt your nighttime sleep schedule. 10. Seek professional help if necessary. If you've tried implementing these tips and are still struggling with sleep issues, don't hesitate to seek professional help. Sleep disorders such as insomnia, sleep apnea, and restless leg syndrome are common and can have serious consequences for your health if left untreated. A healthcare provider or sleep specialist can help diagnose any underlying issues and recommend appropriate treatment options to help you get the restful sleep you need. 11. Prioritize sleep hygiene. Sleep hygiene encompasses a range of practices that promote healthy sleep patterns and habits. This includes establishing a consistent sleep schedule, creating a relaxing bedtime routine, and optimizing your sleep environment. By prioritizing sleep hygiene, you set the stage for restful sleep each night. 12. Harness the power of progressive muscle relaxation. Progressive muscle relaxation is a relaxation technique that involves tensing and then relaxing each muscle group in your body, progressively moving from head to toe. This practice helps alleviate physical tension and promotes a sense of deep relaxation, making it easier to drift off into peaceful sleep. 13. Unwind with evening yoga or stretching. Engaging in gentle yoga or stretching exercises before bed can help release built-up tension in your muscles and calm your mind. Incorporate relaxing poses such as child's pose, forward fold, and legs up the wall to promote relaxation and prepare your body for sleep. 14. Cultivate a sleep-conducive environment. Transform your bedroom into a sanctuary for sleep by optimizing your sleep environment. Keep your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet, and invest in comfortable bedding and supportive pillows. Consider using blackout curtains, white noise machines, or earplugs to block out any disturbances that may disrupt your sleep. 15. Practice mindfulness meditation. Mindfulness meditation involves bringing your attention to the present moment without judgment, allowing you to cultivate a sense of inner peace and tranquility. Incorporate mindfulness meditation into your bedtime routine to quiet your mind and prepare for restful sleep. 16. Harness the soothing power of aromatherapy. Aromatherapy utilizes the therapeutic properties of essential oils to promote relaxation and improve sleep quality. Experiment with calming scents such as lavender, chamomile, and bergamot by diffusing essential oils or using them in a relaxing bath before bed. 17. Establish a digital detox. Before bed, limit your exposure to screens such as smartphones, tablets, and computers in the hour leading up to bedtime. The blue light emitted by electronic devices can disrupt your body's natural sleep-wake cycle, making it harder to fall asleep. Instead, engage in screen-free activities that promote relaxation and prepare you for sleep. 18. Sip on herbal tea. Enjoying a warm cup of herbal tea before bed can be a soothing ritual that signals to your body that it's time to unwind. Choose caffeine-free herbal teas such as chamomile, valerian root, or passion flower, which have been traditionally used to promote relaxation and improve sleep quality. 19. Invest in a comfortable mattress and pillow. Your mattress and pillow play a crucial role in determining the quality of your sleep. Invest in a mattress and pillows that provide adequate support for your body and align your spine properly. Consider factors such as firmness, material, and size to ensure optimal comfort and sleep quality. 20. Seek professional help if needed. If you're experiencing persistent sleep issues despite implementing these tips, don't hesitate to seek professional help. Sleep disorders such as insomnia, sleep apnea, and restless leg syndrome are common and can significantly impact your quality of life. A healthcare provider or sleep specialist can help diagnose any underlying issues and recommend appropriate treatment options. Conclusion: achieving a restful night's sleep is essential for your overall health and well-being. By incorporating these 10 tips into your daily routine, you can create the optimal conditions for a peaceful and rejuvenating night's sleep. Remember to be patient and consistent in your efforts, as improving your sleep habits may take time. Here's to sweet dreams and waking up feeling refreshed and ready to tackle the day ahead. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Until